Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your English teacher. Hope you all will be fine and fit at home. Today our lecture is video lecture number 5 for class 6. Today our topic is letter string, exercise C, page 12. So first of all I will discuss with you that what is letter string. Okay, come to the definition of letter string. Letter strings is the group of letters that fits all the words in a row. Okay, again I am repeating the definition. Letter string is a group of letters that fits all the words in a row. These are letter string with us. Okay, ed and eat, these are letter string. So we will put these letter string in these examples and it will make some new words. Now I will put these two letter string in these two rows to make some new words. The first one is ed. So I will put ed here, so it will become a new word, need. It will become edit, edit, and it will become ed, medical, medical. Here is another example, eat, eat, eat. So I will put this string here, eat, eaten, wheat, wheat, cheat, cheat. So these letter string is fit in these letters, so it becomes some new words. Now open your book, page number 12, exercise C, page number 12. Open your book, exercise C, page 12. This is your page number 12, and this is exercise C. Now come to these letter string, the, oth, or, IGHT and OPE. These are some letter string. Choose the letter string that fits the words in the row. So the first one is done for you. For example, cloth, other, froth, mother and brother. So the next one we will use OR. Wormery, port, inventor, ordinary, teller. Okay, this one letter, one string we put in all these letters, so it becomes some new letters, words for you. Okay, the next one is OPE, slope, OPE, slope. The other is open, 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 envelope, OPE, envelope, tight rope, and this one is opera, OPERA, opera. Okay, feather, here we put this ETHE, so feather, FEATHER, THERE, breath, THEM, dam, THESE, these. Okay, now the next one is IGHT. So IGHT, right, straight, IGHT, STRAIGHT, straight. This is IGHT, lightest. This is tightly, TIGHTLY. This is bright, BRIGHT. So I have done this exercise and you people also done this exercise on your book. Okay, here is another exercise for you. Exercise B, page number 13. Page number 13, exercise B. So this is a comprehension type exercise and the information is based on inspect the unit that you have learned. Okay, so the first one is the word insect means small creature cut into sections, creepy. So you have learned this exercise in your previous lecture. So the correct answer is cut into section because this is the information based on this fact. Okay, the abdomen is the disease type of insect, stomach. So what is the abdomen? It is tummy. So tummy is the stomach. So the correct answer is stomach. Okay. Another is some insect carry pollen from flower to their nest in a pouch. So insect don't have pouch, so they carry pollen from flower to flower. So the correct answer is from flower to flower. Moth love day night, are nocturnal, are colorful. So moths are nocturnal, they are nocturnal. Okay, another is the fifth one is ants live alone in colonies for 20 years. So you people have learned about it. So the correct one is in colonies. In colonies. So we will circle this one. Bees and wasps are the same. Make honey look alike. So ये क्या होते हैं? They both are the same. The third one is antenna are like feelers, feet, wings. So antenna are feelers. You have learned about it. So these are like feelers. The eighth one is most insect give birth, hatch from seeds, hatch from eggs. So insect don't give birth to their babies, not from hatch from seeds. So they hatch from eggs. Okay, this is your exercise B, page number 13. Okay, you people open your book and also solve this exercise. When you will come to school, I will check this exercise. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Stay at home and stay safe.